Hello, good morning, students. On Monday, I was given a class test paper on quadratic equation, and it was very good. Nearly approximately 40, more than 40 students sent their solutions, and some students have done really very nicely. They attempt the questions, all questions, and somewhere you've done the mistakes also. So that's why I am going to give the solution of this test paper. And student, those of you not done, so after sending my solution, please practice all the questions, and after that try by yourself and send it to me. You can send on today only. Okay, so first question, question number 1, it is given solve x square plus 6x minus a square plus 2a minus 8 equal to 0. So dear student, to solve this type of question by using factorization method, first of all we need to factorize this part, constant term, ये जो c part है ना उसको factorize करना है. So that is a square plus 2a minus 8. To factorize it, make the 2 factor of 8 on whose difference must be 2. 4 to the 8. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So at the place of 2a, I can write 4a minus 2a. Then take first 2 and this last 2. In this first 2, if you take a common, so it becomes a plus 4. And in the last 2, I can take minus 2 as a common. If minus 2 is common, so what is remaining? A plus 4. Now what can we take in common? A plus 4. Here remaining a minus 2. A plus 4 into a minus 2. So it will look its difference. Look there. Here this sign is given minus. Means we need to take 2 factor of this and that. There is 1. So 1 into this you will get this part only. Its difference must be equal to 6. जरा इसका डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करके देखो. a plus 4 minus a minus 2 you will get 6. देखो अगर यहाँ माइनस करते हैं a कैंसिल 4 plus 2 you will get 6. तो ये 6 मिलने वाला है. Means at the place of 6x I can put a plus 4x minus a minus 2x. So at the place of 6x I have put it. What we will put? A plus 4x minus a minus 2x minus a plus 4. At this place I have, since it is equal to a plus 4 into a minus 2, so you will put it. Okay. After that they take this first 2. What is common in this first 2? X. If you will take x common, so remaining x plus a plus 4. And the last 2, what is common? A minus 2 and minus is also. So minus a minus 2 common. Then remaining x and this sign becomes plus a plus 4 is equal to 0. Now look, these are same. So it is correct. So what is common again? X plus a plus 4. And if you will take x plus a plus 4 common, then remaining x minus a minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, may be possible x plus a plus 4 0. Otherwise, x minus a minus 2 0. If x plus a plus 4 0, then x is equal to minus a plus 4. Right now, this is minus a plus 4, not minus a plus 4. If you want multiply, so it becomes minus a minus 4. So x first root is minus a minus 4. Otherwise, second one is x is equal to a minus 2. So roots are minus times of a plus 4 and a minus 2 are the roots of this. So this is the first question. So next question, so many of you have done this question. Okay, so those of you have not done, so try this question, practice by yourself, because all the questions I given, these are important questions. This came in the board examination. Question number 2, it is given solve 3x square plus 5 root 5x root 5x plus 5 root 5x, then minus 10 is equal to 0. Minus 10 is equal to 0. So many of you have done this question also. Firstly 10 into 3 you got 30. अभी देखो 30 के 2 factors लेना है जिसका difference root 5 होना चाहिए. So look students, you can write 6 5 का, but root 5 तभी मिलेगा जब यहाँ से तुम root 5 बनाओगे, because 5 can be written root 5 into root 5. So one factor I can take 6 root 5 and second factor can be taken root 5. Okay, so that is root 5 and 6 root 5 minus root 5 is equal to 5 root 5 x, 5 root 5. So therefore if you put here x and this is also x, so at the place of 5 root 5 x I can write 6 root 5 x minus root 5 x. So put it, it becomes 3x square plus what we'll put 6 root 5x minus root 5x minus 10 is equal to 0. Again, take first two, last two. What is common in first two? 3 can be taken common, x can be taken common. What is remaining? X plus, look here, what is remaining? X, 3 common here, so you have to find out what 2 root 5. And in the last two, what is common? Minus. And look, 10 can be written 2 into 5 और 5 को नोट कर सकते हैं root 5 square. So therefore root 5 should be common here. What is remaining? X. अभी देखो यहाँ प्लस हुआ. ऑलवेज यही फाइंड आउट होता है. नहीं समझ में आया तो 10 को root 5 से डिवाइड करो. 10 को हमने root 5 से डिवाइड किया. You can rationalize it. If you rationalize it, root 5 into root 5, 5, 5 to the 10. So what is remaining? 2 root 5. वो ये होगा 2 root 5 is equal to 0. You will get it now. 2 root 5. This is equal to 0. And this can be, what can we write it? It is here, what is common? X plus 2 root 5 is common into 3x minus root 5 remaining, that is equal to 0. So if x plus 2 root 5 is equal to 0 or 3x minus root 5 is equal to 0. So if x plus 2 root 5 0, x is equal to minus 2 root 5 or x is equal to root 5 upon 3. So therefore roots are, so what are the roots of this question? Minus 2 root 5 and root 5 upon 3. Therefore minus 2 root 5 and root 5 upon 3 are the roots. So these are the roots of this given question number 2. So many students have done this question also. Those of you not done, go through it and try it and practice also. You need to do the practice. If you are unable to understand, you can ask again. Question number 3. Question number 3, there are the 3 parts are given. First part is of this question. It is given, find the values of k for which kx square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0 has real roots. So dear students, it is given kx square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0 has real roots. Find the values of k for which it has real roots. So what you need to write? Firstly write a. What is a? K. What is b? b is minus 6. Then write c. What is c? Minus 2. Then since it has real roots. Do you remember what is the condition for real roots? For real roots, b may be either greater or equal to 0, both. And what is d? d is b square minus 4ac. So that must be greater or equal to 0. Correct now? So b square minus 4ac must be greater or equal to 0. What is b? Minus 6. So put it, minus 6 square minus 4, a is k into c. c is minus 2 should be greater or equal to 0. So that is 36 and plus 4 to the 8k should greater or equal to 0. Correct now? So that must be greater or equal to 0. This must be greater or equal to 0. That you got 36 plus 8k should greater or equal to 0. So this implies, if you look it, so what can you say? 8k should greater or equal to minus 36. Correct now? So k should greater or equal to. Therefore, this implies k should greater or equal to minus 36 by 8, and this implies k must be greater or equal to 4 से divide कर दें तो क्या होगा? minus 9 upon 2. So this is the solution of this first question. K must be greater or equal to minus 9 by 2. If the value of k is greater or equal to minus 9 by 2, then this equation has real roots. Okay, and it's the second part. So students, so many of you have done the mistake in its second part. So look it carefully. What is the second part of that question? You done mistake only in the last step. How you evaluate it? It is given x square, second part, x square plus 5kx 16 is equal to 0. So we need to find out the value of k, for it has no real root. So we need to write a, what is a? 1. What is b? So now firstly we'll write the values. A is 1. Then b, what is b? A is 1. Then we'll write b. B is equal to 5k. B is equal to 5k. Then write c. What is c? 16. Okay. Since it has no real roots, so what is discriminant for it? No real roots. You know condition, if quadratic equation has no real roots, then discriminant b must be strictly smaller than 0. b means b square minus 4ac must be strictly smaller than 0. What is b? b is 5k. 5k square minus 4a is 1, c is 16. That must be strictly smaller than 0. That must be strictly smaller than 0. So what you will get here? 25k square minus 64 should less than 0. So this must be less than 0, and then it is, you can get it 25k square should 64 को ट्रांसपोज करो तो यहाँ 64 होगा, मीन्स 5k square should be strictly smaller than 64, and this implies k square should be strictly smaller than 64 upon 25. So this can be written k square strictly smaller than 8 upon 5 the whole square. So students, here I want to explain one property. If x square is strictly smaller than a square, if x square is strictly smaller than a square when a is any real number, then the possible values of a will be either strictly smaller than a or strictly greater than minus a. This you need to remember. You will learn this how it is coming in the 11th class. Otherwise, sometime I will explain. Okay, so this is the rule. You need to memorize this property. If x square is strictly smaller than a square, then x either less than a or greater than minus a. So according to that, what may be the possible value of k? K should be strictly smaller than 8 upon 5, and that must be strictly greater than minus 8 upon 5. So that is the correct value of k. Means the value of k, this is also denoted by that way. The value of k lies between, देखो ये line इसको बोलते हैं open interval between minus 8 upon 5 to plus 8 upon 5. इसका मतलब होता है all the real number between minus 8 upon 5 to plus 8 upon 5 in open interval. Okay, between, that's why I am telling the in open interval. So either this one or you need to learn that property. According to that, this is the correct answer of this question. So what may be the possible value of k? K lies between minus 8 upon 5 to plus 8 upon 5. This is the question number 3, its second part. And question number 3 has equal roots. So much simple, has equal roots. So for equal roots, I will write the equation in simplest form. It is given kx into x minus 2, multiply करेंगे kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Write a, what is a? K. What is b? B is minus 2k. And what is c? C is 6. Since it has equal roots, since the equation has equal roots, so for equal roots, its discriminant d must be equal to 0. d 0 के equal होना चाहिए. d means b square minus 4ac, that must be equal to 0. That must be equal to 0. ये 0 के equal होना चाहिए. And if it is equal to 0, so what is b? b is minus 2k, the whole square, minus 4a, is k, into c is 6 is equal to 0. This implies 4k square minus 24k should equal to 0. and 24, sorry, 24k, 24k is equal to 0. 24k is equal to 0. In this, what can we take in common? You can take 4k as a common. You will get here k minus 6 is equal to 0. Right now? So what may be the possible values? This implies may be possible either k0 or k minus 60. And if k minus 60, then k is equal to 6. So possible values are 0 and 6. But students, already you know that the standard form, general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a should not equal to 0. So what is a is? A is k. So k must be not equal to 0. Since a should not equal to 0, therefore we can't take k 0. इसलिए ये correct answer नहीं होगा. K should not equal to 0. And the value of k must be not equal to 0. So therefore, what is the correct answer of k? K must be equal to 6 only. So 0 is not its correct answer, only 6. So those of you who done mistake in that, you need to correct it. K must be equal to 6 only, not equal to 0. Correct? Next, question number 4. And this question number 4 is given to solve for x. And what is given question? Look here. Question is given x minus 1 upon x minus 2. Question number 4. X minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus x minus 3 upon x minus 4 is equal to 3 as a whole 1 upon 3. You know that this is not in the standard form of quadratic equation. So first of all, we need to write this equation in standard form. How can we write it? By taking the LCM, and so take here the LCM. What may be the LCM? X minus 2 into x minus 4. Then it will be multiplied here. Those of you know directly you can multiply it. X minus 1 को x minus 4 में multiply करें. If I will write here directly, so x square होगा, minus देखो 4x और 1x तो minus 5x मिलेगा, and plus 4 होगा. Plus that term will multiply here, you will get x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to this also 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10 upon 3. Correct na? And in next step, what we will get? X square plus x square. That is becomes 2x square minus 5x minus 5x minus 10x. 4 plus 6, that is 10 upon x square minus, look here, we need to multiply, so minus 6x hoga. Okay, and plus 8 is equal to 10 upon 3. Then we will do the cross multiplication. So 3 to the 6x square minus 30x plus 30 is equal to 10x square minus 60x plus 80. Correct na? To solve it, I will transpose the 6x square that side. So you will get 10x square. So देखो यहाँ पे हम left side से all terms को right side transpose करते हैं. So it becomes 0 is equal to 10x square minus 6x square, that is 4x square minus 60x plus 30x, that is minus 30x. Correct now? Plus 80 minus 30, that is plus 50 is equal to 0. Since using quadratic formula, so students, we need to solve this question using quadratic formula. So many of you have not done by the quadratic formula. You need to solve the question by quadratic formula because it is given here. Solve the question by using quadratic formula. But one more thing you can do, because all terms are divisible by 2, so you can divide it by 2, and if you divide all the terms by 2, you will get that way. देखो क्या मिलने वाला है 2x square. So I will write 2x square minus 15x plus 25 is equal to 0. To solve using quadratic formula, we need to take the value of a. What is a here? A is equal to, you will get 2. What is b? B is equal to minus 15 and c is equal to 25. To solve using quadratic formula, we need to find out the value of d, and d find out करते हैं. What is d? D is equal to b square minus 4 into c. What is b? Minus 15 square minus 4a, a is 2 and c is 25. And 15 square is 225. ये हुआ हुआ 25 into 4 है ना. Anything is mistake in this question we done? Okay, 2a equal to b equal to minus 15, a equal to 2 and c equal to 25. So 15 to 24, 25 for the 200, sorry 25 for the 100 into 2 200, we got 200. So देखो ये difference हुआ 25. So we got 25. Therefore roots, अभी देखो ये इसको यहाँ नोट करेंगे, since it is greater than 0, therefore it has real and distinct roots are possible. So no need to write the nature, only if d greater than 0 यहाँ दिखाना important होता है for real roots. So we got d strictly greater than 0, therefore roots are real. Then we'll solve it. So what are the roots? First root x is equal to minus b plus root b upon twice of a. Whenever you solve, you need to write the formula minus b. So minus of minus 15 plus root of d, so root of 25 upon twice of a, that is 2 into 2. तो ये हुआ minus minus plus 15 plus 5 upon 4. 15 plus 5 20. 20 by 4. So you get first answer x is equal to 20 by 4. So it is 5. Second, x is equal to minus b minus root d upon twice of a. So देखो यहाँ चेंज होगा, ये 15 होगा, यहाँ minus 5 होगा and this is 4. 15 minus 5 10, 10 by 4. Its answer is 5.2. So roots are 5 and 5 by 2 are the roots of this question. So those of you done by other methods, so please correct it. You need to solve it by using quadratic formula because it is given in the question and its answer is 5 and 5 upon 2. Next question, dear students, so many of you done the mistake in this question. Its meaning is that your completing square method you did not done properly. So once again I am going to explain this question. You need to practice for that question. Try some more question based on it using completing square method. Then solve it again. Question number 5th, solve the given question using completing square method, and question is given 3x square minus x, 3x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. If you remember, I explained this process. Afterwards, I have explained that if you in last you did not see, so look here, 5 and 5.2 is the solution of last question. So we'll come to the question number 5th. Solve using completing square method 3x square minus x minus 2. So I observed that so many of you have done the mistake in this question. So look it carefully and try practice some more question based on it. How you will solve? Firstly, take a and divide by a all the terms. All terms को a से पहले divide करना है या फिर a को common कर लेना है. In this way, you need to divide. So first term हुआ, देखो ये find out x square minus 1 upon 3x minus 2 by 3. If you want, you can transpose other side this also. So you'll get 2 by 3 here. Then take the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? Without sign, you can take 1 upon 3. और इस 1 upon 3 का take this and इसका 2 से divide करो, means हो गया 1 upon 6. और its square should be adding on both sides. तो क्या करना है, यहाँ नोट करेंगे, adding 1 upon 3 into 2 the whole square. देखो ये process है, its whole square on both sides. On both the sides. So add it on both sides. If you add it on both sides, so what you will get here? Look here, you will get it. क्या find out होने वाला है? In left side you will get it x square minus 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 6 the whole square is equal to right side 1 upon 6 the whole square plus 2 by 3. Correct na? Plus 2 by 3. So here students, if you look a square b square and look 2ab, and if you look 2ab, so twice of x into 1 upon 6. Solve करके देखो, ये देखो cancel हुआ, क्या find out होगा 1 upon 3x. So we are getting that ना 1 upon 3x. So it is in the form of a square plus b square. This side is minus 2ab. If you want, you can write here. Otherwise, directly you can put the value. So according to that, if we equal r, means it is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. It is a minus b, what is b, 1 upon 6 the whole square is equal to, यहाँ हम LCM टेक करें 36 होगा, तो 36 LCM 1, करेक्ट, और यहाँ देखो किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, 12, 12 to the 24, so we got that, correct ना. So I hope you understood. If not clear, look it again. I will explain this. Always you need to add this on both sides. Then always it is changed in the form of identity. Either a minus b the whole square if this is minus. Otherwise a plus b the whole square if this sign is plus. That's why we are making the half and its whole square is adding on both sides. So afterwards it is becomes, what is becomes, some students have done it, this question also correctly, but very few. Others, those of you have done the wrong. So please go through it and try to solve this type of question once more. Is equal to 25 upon 36, correct now. So x minus 1 upon 6 is equal to square root of 25 upon 36. Whenever we are taking the square root, so two sign will come plus and minus. So therefore we are getting the two solutions, plus and minus. So that is x minus 1 upon 6 is equal to plus minus 5 upon 6. So students, it is equal to x equal to, अगर इसको ट्रांसपोज करें तो minus 1 upon 6 plus minus 5 upon 6. So look here how we are getting the two answers. First is minus 1 plus 5 upon 6 होगा. Otherwise second क्या हो सकता है, x equal to minus 1 minus 5 upon 6, correct now. We'll get it. So if you will simplify that part, so it becomes here 5 minus 1, that is 4 upon 6, that is 2 upon 3, or x is equal to minus 6 upon minus 6, that is minus 6 upon 6, that is minus 1. So therefore 2 upon 3 and minus 1 are the roots of this question. So those of you who have done mistake in this question, go through it and practice this type of question, then solve this question. Okay. Question number 6. So some students have this question also, but some students have not tried this question. Some had done wrong in this question. So 6th question is also very much important question. So I will explain this question number 6th. What is the given question? Question number 6 is given a upon solve a upon, question number 6, solve a upon ax minus 1 plus b upon bx minus 1 is equal to a plus b. So to solve this type of question, if you solve it directly by taking LCM, so it becomes some complicated. Maybe you face so many problems to solve it. So simple way to solve this type of question, here a upon, so take b with it, and b upon take a with it. So in this way, a upon ax minus 1 minus b plus b upon bx minus 1 minus a is equal to, we got 0, correct now. So we can write it. Okay. This. Then take the LCM in this first two. यहाँ पे देखो हम ब्रैकेट बनाते हैं, यहाँ पे LCM लेंगे और यहाँ पे ये नेक्स्ट LCM टेक करते हैं. So here what is LCM? ax minus 1, ये क्रॉस होगा a माइनस, देखो ये क्रॉस हुआ, क्या फाइंड आउट हुआ, a bx minus 1 minus b plus b upon ax minus 1 plus, again take the LCM. What is LCM here? bx minus 1, ये हुआ b minus, देखो मल्टीप्लाई हुआ a bx plus a is equal to 0. Look, both are having the same denominator, means it can be taken common. What can be taken common? A plus b minus a bx can be taken common. So take, if you take a plus b minus a bx अगर हम कॉमन करते हैं, तो here you will get 1 upon ax minus 1 plus 1 upon bx minus 1 is equal to 0. So now there are the two factors we got. So maybe first 0, maybe second 0, if first 0. So therefore what it is, its meaning is that a plus b minus abx may be 0. Otherwise second one, what is second one? 1 upon ax minus 1 plus 1 upon bx minus 1 is equal to 0. Correct now? We can get it. So students, if a plus b minus abx is equal to 0, तो देखो ये हुआ a plus b is equal to abx. So therefore x is equal to a plus b upon a into b. This is the first root of this question. Okay, to solve next part we need to take the some more steps. Second, so first root we got a plus b upon a into b. Now look, how can we solve the second part? To solve the second part, we need to take the LCM here. Right now, we need to take here LCM. यहाँ LCM लेना होगा. What is LCM? AX minus 1 into BX minus 1. So that will be multiplied here. So you will get BX minus 1 plus AX minus 1 upon AX minus 1 into BX minus 1 is equal to 0. And if it will be cross multiply here and multiply with 0, so what you will get? यहाँ आ रहा है ax plus bx minus 1 minus 2 equal to 0, correct ना? And denominator 0 के साथ multiply होगा, it is becomes 0. So ax plus bx minus 2 equal to 0. If I will take common in x in these two, so I can write x into a plus b is equal to 2. So therefore x is equal to 2 upon a plus b. So therefore the roots of this question. Second root is 2 upon a plus b. 2 upon a plus b. First root is a plus b upon ab. So these are the roots of this question. A plus b upon ab and 2 upon a plus b. Okay. Next question. Question number 7. Question number 7 is given. Solve x square. Question number 7. Solve x square minus 3 root 5x plus 10 is equal to 0 using factorization method. So we need to solve this question by using factorization method. 2 factorization 10 के 2 factor लेना है जिसका div plus करो 3 root 5 आ जाए. तो देखो 5 2 सा and 5 can be written root 5 root 5. तो ये देखो 2 root 5 and root 5. So 2 root 5 plus root 5 is equal to 3 root 5. So at the place of 3 root 5x, I can write 2 root 5x plus root 5x. Right now, because it is equal to 3 root 5. But this is a minus sign. So sign इसलिए change होगा x square. यहाँ minus 2 root 5x and ये भी sign change हो जाएगा, minus multiply होगा minus root 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. Its reason already I was explained. Okay, so it becomes that. So take first two common, this first two and this last two. In first two, if you will take x common, so what is remaining here? X minus 2 root 5. And the last two, what is common? Minus root 5 common करेंगे. X देखो अभी 10 को root 5 से divide करो. You know that I shown you in the one more question today also. So you will get 2 root 5. And these both must be same. So we are getting same. अभी देखो ये common हुआ. क्या common हुआ? X minus 2 root 5 is common. So if you will take x minus 2 root 5 as a common, here what do you get? X minus root 5. This is equal to 0. Correct now? It becomes 0. So from here you can get the solution of this question, root of this question. Solution, root both are the same thing. So first root may be x minus 2 root 5 is equal to 0 हो सकता है. Otherwise x minus root 5 is equal to 0. And if x minus 2 root 5 0, then x is equal to 2 root 5 or x is equal to root 5. So what are the roots? 2 root 5 and root 5 are the solution, or you can say roots of this question. Okay, so this is the question number 7. Next question, question number 8. And in question number 8 it is given, question number 8 is given, find the nature of roots. Only you need to write the nature of the given, nature of root of the given equation. Equation is given 5x into x minus 2 multiply 5x square minus 2 into 5x, that is 10x plus 6 is equal to 0. To find out nature of root, we need to find out the d. d के लिए a note करो 5b minus 10. If you want, you can divide, not divisible ना. c is equal to 6. To find out the nature, we need to find out d. What is d? Discriminant. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4a into c. What is b? b is given minus 10. अभी minus 10 का square minus 4a into c. तो 10 square हुआ 100 minus 5 4 या 20 into 6 120, so it becomes -20. So we are getting less than 0 ना, नेगेटिव आ रहा है, इसका मतलब d क्या हुआ, less than 0. And if d less than 0, therefore no real roots, no real roots. So therefore nature of this roots of the equation is no any real roots are possible in this question. So this is the question number 8. Next question, question number 9. And question number 9 is also something different. Question number 9 is given, solve thrice of 3x minus 1, solve thrice of 3x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 minus twice of 2x plus 3 upon 3x minus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, so look here, if you look this term 3x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 and second one, second is given 2x plus 3 upon, both are the reciprocal of each other, so this can be easily can solve, LCM लेके solve कर सकते हैं, but it becomes complicated. To solve this type of question, अगर हम let करके solve करें, it is becomes easy. So let 3x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 is equal to something else, like I have considered y. So put it. So if I will let it y, so what is its reciprocal? अगर इसका reciprocal देखें तो 2x plus 3 upon 3x minus 1 is equal to क्या होगा, 1 upon y. So therefore I can put here 3y minus 2 into, यहाँ क्या रख सकते हैं, 1 upon y is equal to 5, correct ना? Okay. Then if I will take here LCM, देखो यहाँ LCM ले, ये y cross multiply होगा 3y square minus 2 upon y is equal to 5. Then do the cross multiply here, 3y square minus 2 is equal to 5y, correct na, is equal to 5y. That is becomes, so it is reduced in the form of 3y square minus 5y minus 2 is equal to 0. Then we can solve it by using any method. So if you want to solve by factorization method, so 3 to the 6, 6 के 2 factor minus करो, 5 आ जाए 6 minus 1. So at the place of 5y, अभी देखो minus भी है, इसलिए क्या रखना होगा, minus 6y plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. And if this first to last 2, what is common first to 3y? So what is remaining, y minus 2 plus 1 common, right now? Here is also y minus 2 is equal to 0. If y minus 2 common, so here 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. So what is possible, y minus 2 may be 0 or 3y plus 1 0. If y minus 2 is equal to 0, then what is y? Y is equal to, you will get 2, or y is equal to minus 1 upon 3. So these are the possible values. So this value of y we need to put here, then we'll get the value of x, because we require the value of x. So x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम y की वैल्यू एक बार 2 रखेंगे और एक बार -1/3 रखेंगे here. So means here if I will put here, तो अभी यहाँ पे हमको पुट करना है y की वैल्यू, हम यहाँ पुट करते हैं. फर्स्ट वैल्यू y is 2. So अगर हम y की प्लेस पे 2 रखें तो 3x minus 1/2x plus 3 is equal to 2, ठीक ना? Then do the cross multiplication. So देखो ये हुआ 3x minus 1 is equal to 2 to the 4x and 3 to the 6 plus 6. इसको ट्रांसपोज करते हैं, -1 minus 6 is equal to 4x minus 3x. देखो x is equal to क्या मिला, -7. So first root is x is equal to -7. We got x is equal to -7. And to find out the second root, y की second value को हम पुट करते हैं 3x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 is equal to y, and y is -1/3. Put it and do the cross multiplication again. 3 3 is 9x minus 3 is equal to, देखो ये माइनस होगा, so -2x minus 3, करेक्ट ना? 9x plus 2x, अगर हम 2x को यहाँ ट्रांसपोज करते हैं, सेकेंड आंसर के लिए देखो ये हुआ 2x को ट्रांसपोज करेंगे and this will be transpose other side, so we'll get 9x plus 2x is equal to, देखो ये -3 and plus 3, so that is 11x is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 0 upon 11, that is 0. So second root is 0. Correct? So 2 root -7 and 0. And question number 10th, if you look the question number 10th, students, so much simple question. I hope all of you have done this question. Okay, question number 10, I will explain what this question also. First part of this question, we need to check whether it is quadratic or not. Question number 10, its first is given x plus 2 upon x is equal to x square. तो देखो only देख करके नहीं बताना कि ये क्वाड्रेटिक है कि यहाँ x स्क्वायर आ रहा है, because it is वेरिएबल डिनोमिनेटर में नहीं होना चाहिए. So we need to take LCM. तो LCM लो देखो x स्क्वायर plus 2 upon x is equal to x square. Then again क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, x स्क्वायर plus 2 is equal to x cube. इसकी डिग्री क्या है 3. So it is not a quadratic equation. So this is not a quadratic equation. This is not a quadratic equation. So first one is not a quadratic equation, but it is a cubical equation. Cubic equation है क्योंकि पावर क्या आ रहा है 3, डिग्री 3 हो रहा है. Second part of this question is given x square minus x square minus 1 upon x square is equal to 5, right now. So by taking LCM you will get here x to the power 4 minus 1 upon x square is equal to 5. Do the cross multiplication, what you will get, x to the power 5 minus 1 is equal to 5x square, correct now. X to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 5x square. So what is this degree? इसका देखो डिग्री क्या होगा, डिग्री 4 है. Therefore it is also not a quadratic equation. ये भी quadratic नहीं होगा क्योंकि इसका डिग्री 4 है. So this one is also not a quadratic equation, but it is biquadratic equation. Third part of this question is given x plus 2 the whole cube is equal to x cube plus 8, sorry minus 8, x cube minus 8 is equal to x cube minus 8, and so far it make its whole cube. देखो ये हुआ x cube plus, sorry यहाँ cube है ना, x plus 2 the whole cube, so a cube plus b cube, that is 8 plus thrice of a square into b plus thrice of a into b square is equal to x cube minus 8. देखो ये x cube both साइड से कैंसिल हो गया. 3 2 जा 6x square, 4 3 जा plus 12x plus 8, and इसको भी ट्रांसपोज करो plus 8 plus 16 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. What is degree of this equation? Its degree is 2, so it is a quadratic equation. So its third part is correct. So dear students, I have explained this all questions. So you need to try, you need to check your solution. If anywhere mistake, so correct it and try your mistakes and improve your